Hello. You can adjust the button size and switch between front, right, top, perspective, and orthographic views. Like in 3ds Max, you can work in Vertex, Edge, and Face modes. Hold Control and click a vertex or edge to expand the selection. Because Blender does not include element selection by default, I added separate element, plus and minus selection functions. I also added grow and shrink. If you enable face orientation, you can quickly spot flipped faces. The bi-angle option lets you easily select faces with similar angles. There is also a soft selection feature. Next, I'll apply Chamfer and switch to Vertex mode. Click Similar to find faces with the same shape and adjust the threshold above the button for more flexible control. I also made it easy to find tris and n-gons right away. As you can see, you can identify tris immediately and n-gons just as easily. Relax also works in the default way, but if you hold Alt or Shift while clicking Relax, you can feel the difference in strength. I added a step option to the ring and loop buttons, so you can select exactly the number you want. You can also assign shortcuts in the add-on panel. After changing the settings, restart Blender for more stable operation. The dot function can also be adjusted by changing the values. It also includes attach and detach, so it is easy to work with. You can separate geometry as an element clone or as a regular clone. Detach also works in Vertex and Edge mode, and you can think of it as a split operation. It also works on edges, but selecting only one edge will not work. Select two edges like this, then press Detach to separate them. I also added Collapse. Remove deletes faces, and if you run Remove while holding Control, it deletes only edges or vertices. Extrude and Bevel use Blender's default features. If you press Connect, it can also fill the face with grid fill like this. I'll explain the Connect feature in a moment. Chamfer is similar to Bevel, but a little different. I made it easier to control, and you can change the number of segments with the mouse wheel. When you're done, right-click. I also added various chamfer mitering options, along with depth and open chamfer, to make hard surface work easier. Edge spin is also available, and it even works in n-gon situations. I'll show you inset as well, and I added one more feature, flow loop mode. Face inset mode includes a bi-polygon option, and you can also adjust the number of segments with the mouse wheel. With regularizer, you can easily create a circular shape. These are hide, hide unselected, and unhide all. Select an edge and use connect to create a midpoint. You can use connect as many times as you want. Think of it like drawing a line with knife. Because it is screen-based, it may not work in some cases, but you can change the viewport and connect it that way. You can also do a simple bridge. If pressing the button creates a ring selection, it connects everything. The key point is that this is a connect-based feature set. A simple bridge can be handled with just the connect button. Once you try it, you'll understand right away. You can think of it as also supporting grid fill and simple cap operations. There are also X, Y, and Z axis alignment tools. Weld is distance-based, so adjust the distance as needed. Right next to it is target weld, which you use when you want to weld to a specific position. When you're done, right-click to exit. This is the mirror function. Mirror can flip along an axis, and if you change the mode, it can also create mirrored copies. The pivot axis can be changed to center, bottom, or world zero. You can also zero out position values based on each axis. And all X, Y, Z can bring vertices together into a single point. This is not Weld. I also refined FFD to make it more convenient to use. It may still be a little limited, but I think you'll still find it useful. When you're done, you can clean things up with Collapse Stack. Collapse Stack organizes the modifier stack. In modifiers, I included features that are frequently used for modeling. Thank you.